Hello, guys. So today we have a new guest, Alex, who is CEO of Gotbit. It's a hedge fund and trading platform for Web3. Great to have you here, Alex.
Hi, guys. It's a pleasure to be here. Hi, Anna.
So can you tell us about your background and how did you get into crypto space?
Yeah, in 2K17, I started my career in one small company. The company called Rega, and they tried to come to the Web3 to crypto space with some insurance technologies, and they use ERC-721 contract called NFT now as a feature for insurance business. And I started there as a guy who make tea, coffee, and some things, and then grow my career. And my first focus was about listing token of this startup on exchanges, improve markets, and that's how we created our first market making service. Because when we list the token of Rega on exchanges, we figure out that liquidity is too bad, that it's a lot of arbitrage opportunities existed on the market. And that's why me and my friend from university and from school, we were very deep into math and development. And during one night, we created first version of the bot. And after it, we go to the market and start providing this service for other startups with their tokens. That's how we started in 2K17.
That's quite interesting. You saw the problem and you immediately created the solution. And can you explain to the audience who is not much aware about trading, what market making is, and what are the main features of it, differences for market making to compare with other competitors?
Yeah, so general thing about market makers is to provide liquidity to the markets and make markets more efficient. What does it mean? We have like 200, 300 different centralized exchanges, a lot of decentralized protocols, decentralized exchanges, and prices of assets on all exchanges are moving at any moment. And market makers are the guys who can put their money into all of these exchanges, into all of these trading pairs, and make prices equal and make money during this price changing. It's called arbitrage. It's the first thing. The second thing for market makers is to provide liquidity to decentralized or centralized exchanges. So we provide liquidity for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for Ripple, and for smaller, market cap projects. And the third thing in terms of our business especially is designated market makers. Designated market makers are companies which have projects they work with directly to improve their markets. For example, start from some small exchanges and finish on some like Binance or Coinbase. For example, start with small liquidity pool on Uniswap, $100K, and in 6 months have $1 million on this liquidity pool. It's the third thing. If we talk more about differences between Gotbit and other market players, I think everybody heard about GSR. It's like top one right now on the market. And we in Gotbit don't want to become like second GSR. We understand that GSR are guys, ex-Goldman Sachs, started 2K13 on the market. And their approach is quite easy. They provide liquidity to projects and manage this liquidity. We understand that we can do different things. And our main focus is on the profit side for market making, how it works. For example, we start working with some token listed on some like tier 2, tier 3 exchanges. And our main focus is to make profit for this project according to this market. So we try to build revenue stream for every startup we work with monthly basis. And the idea is to support founders of these Web3 startups, because we totally understand that right now for 95% of startups in crypto, especially which issued the tokens, they don't have a lot of money streams, like revenue streams. First revenue stream is fundraising. Second revenue stream is like token selling. Most of the projects, they don't have enterprise or some like B2C, B2B money streams. So Gotbit are the guys who create the third revenue stream for these projects. We do net profits from the markets monthly basis. It's what we focused, and like next year we want to go with a slogan to the market. It's a Gotbit, means profit for Web3 founders. That's the main difference. And second thing I should mention is about our platform. As you said, we are not only hedge fund and trading firm, we also have a platform for Web3 startups about market making. Solution is quite simple. It's just like a dashboard, but inside a lot of features and very useful instruments which every founder, every our client can use. For example, it's P&L, it's on-chain data, it's off-chain data, it's all metrics from the market like volume, arbitrage opportunities, liquidity. And the main idea of this platform when we developed it was to put this platform between our clients' money and our trading desk, because since 2017, we grow very, very fast as all industry did. But then we developed like a personal page, personal account inside the platform for each of our clients, because right now we manage around 300 clients and it's very hard to manage all of them, like, only in chat groups, Telegram, or via Zoom calls. That's why each of our clients has his account on this platform and can track everything from our performance and any of his markets. It could be like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and also decentralized markets like Uniswap, like QuickSwap from Polygon, like PancakeSwap, and other swaps from also non-EVM chains like Solana or Aptos. So, and this platform provides transparency to our clients, because transparency is market making is everything. As I said, Gotbit is about profits, but if you need to count this profit, to calculate this profit, you need transparency. And platform is about transparency, because any founder work with us, he can open this platform from his smartphone, from his computer, when he's in the taxi or in his office or anytime, 24/7, and see what's going on and open any period. Like right now, most of market makers on the market, they just provide, like PDFs or like Google Sheets or something like this, monthly or weekly basis. So we provided 24/7 live data, and transparency is the secret why we are so big and why we're still growing during this bloodbath on the market. Yeah.
Yeah, this is great. And I saw another motto on your website that bear market or bull market doesn't matter. Gotbit is hiring. So regardless the market situation, are you really ready to take up the project and guarantee success? And what's your strategy?
Yeah, about hiring, guys. If you are like, we open 2 new offices in New York. If you are from New York and you're looking for some Web3 job, we are looking for BDs and for traders from New York or any East Coast guys. And also, yeah, why we are growing still, a little bit secret. It's only shared with our investors, but I can tell about not numbers, but some trends. Since July, our revenue started growing, and doesn't matter about like FTX drop and Alameda crash, our revenue month to month is still growing. So, we grow September to August and October to September, and now November to October. And today is December, now is December, but we are still growing December to November numbers about our revenue. And I think there are 2 main secrets why we do it. First is because our platform is supporting DEX as well as CEXs. And now, a lot of institutional guys, a lot of our clients, like business-to-business clients, moved their assets and their trading from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges. And because our platform can support both, so we don't lose the clients. Because I know a lot of market makers, they only support centralized exchanges, and it's a big mistake for them, I think. And second is because we based our revenue based on performance, and our trading desk, our traders, they are very high motivated to make profits. Doesn't matter what market situation is right now. So that's why I think we can perform better than the market and than other market players. And that's also second secret why we are still growing, and we can not like guarantee success, but we can work as a like performance-based model with our clients, and brings them more value than anyone else on the market right now.
Yeah, that's great. And as well, last month you opened your liquidity program. Can you tell more about this?
Yeah, so liquidity program idea is more about decentralized markets. So a lot of, right, during this time, during this bear market, a lot of new projects come into the market, and we provide liquidity for two types of project. First type is any like cross-chain bridges, cross-chain liquidity protocol, DeFi, some like liquidity aggregators, which need stable coins or main assets like Ethereum, BNB, Avalanche, Phantom, maybe liquidity to put inside these protocols. We are ready to provide it, but our team is very, very deep into scoring. We have initial Q&A and audit team, and we go very deep with each project we provide liquidity. Our average like check of liquidity is from $500 to $6 million, $500K to $6 million, and we already supported like Wombex. It's like a Convex for BNB Smart Chain. We support Azure, a very huge project. They do like betting, but on DeFi. It's like DeFi betting, and they already live, and they have very good traction during this World Cup, FIFA, and also some other projects. Yeah, and second idea is to provide liquidity into liquidity pools of any DeFi markets like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, and other swaps on different blockchains. So we are ready to provide liquidity with some requirements for the project, and we are ready to freeze it from 3 months to 12 months. This depends on our scoring model and depends on our relationships with the project. So that's our two main features of our liquidity providing program. And guys, you are welcome. If you need it, visit our website and we can talk about it.
That's cool. It sounds like you're a market saver at this time.
Yeah.
And you mentioned as well you have a dashboard for clients, but I see you as well have a consulting and development offers, like blockchain solutions such as cross-chain swap bridge, DeFi transaction hedge strategy, migration to BNB Smart Chain, and token staking for EVM and non-EVM blockchains and others. So can you tell more about this?
Yeah, the main idea, as I mentioned before, because we work mostly on performance based with our clients, sometimes markets of our clients, especially from tier 3, tier 2 exchanges, are very thin and small. And to improve them, we need to build some additional utilities for the token of our client. And that's why we have our internal development team and consulting team. They are 99% working only with our clients, existing clients already, and they create some solutions for tokens of our clients and for projects of our clients. It could be, as you said, staking, bridges, farmings, or maybe more complicated projects and products. But the thing is the idea to make token of our clients more useful, and attract more liquidity and more buy pressure from the market, from traders, from investors. Like example could be like, a lot of gamify projects, they launch the token before the game is 100% ready. And sometimes from the TGE, token generation event, to full ready game, it could be like 6 months or 12 months. And during this period, no utility for the token. And you can see a lot of charts like this for such projects, like token is down, because a lot of unlocks for investors early stage, and everybody is only selling. So for such projects, we create different solutions like staking, or like something with NFT, or like some mini games, just to keep investors' attention and just to keep some buy pressure and some new buyers, new traders come to the market. So that's the main idea, yeah, and we develop a lot of projects, a lot of products by this reason for our clients.
Yeah, so I see you provide value in any way you can, and as well, I see there is Gotbit Foundation, and you have as well your own venture arm. So how does the selection of startups take place, and what are your criteria when you select whether to invest into this project or not?
Yeah, so we created this venture arm because like we become more serious company during last 2 years, and like we see that a lot of projects like at early stage they still need some support, they still need to understand how to launch their token, how to have TGE. That's why firstly we create something like incubator, and then we understand that we can invest in these projects and we open our venture fund. So right now we like onboard from 10 to 30 projects every month into our incubator and invest during this bear market. Since September, we do like 5 to 8 investments every month. It's not like big checks. It could be from like 50K to pre-seed to maybe 300-400K if it's one of the last rounds and we are 100% sure that project could be really interesting for us. We don't have like our main focus of this venture fund, because as market maker we have amazing opportunity to pick the best projects, because as a market maker we have on top of our fingers like experience, and we understand which project can have better hype, better traction, better like approach to the market at the moment. So that's why, for example, we invested in some launchpads tokens, we invested in gamify, we invested in also infrastructure. We put our money in Azura. It's DeFi betting. It's a little bit different from other projects. So of course, we invested in DeFi, like Wombex, as I said. It's a convex on BNB Smart Chain. So it's different projects. We don't have our main focus, but right now we open like special small funds. It's a $10 million fund for Aptos, only Aptos projects, and $10 million fund only for Sui projects, because these two ecosystems, especially Aptos Solana, faced big problems with FTX crash and all of these technical problems with Solana. We expect these two ecosystems can grow very, very fast. And we didn't invest in the like main tokens like Aptos or Sui, but we pick some projects from Aptos ecosystem and from Sui ecosystem and invest in them.
Yeah, it's cool that you find some good projects during this bear market and still continue to support them. And as well, I heard some rumors in the space about Alpha with only founders, C-levels, and hedge fund traders and quants launched by Gotbit. So is it true? And how to get into it, and why did you create it?
Yeah, it's true. It's very, very private community. Like we figure out that a lot of different communities in Telegram and Discord already created, but people there, especially founders and C-levels, they just like do business development connections, like ask how to get this Forbes article, especially your business, how to get like listing on Binance, or how to like, I don't know, raise some funds. But all of these communities, they don't have some like core thing about, and it's only like time wasting for 90% of members of these communities, and that's why I think not a lot of interest and not a lot of hype to get in. So we just created community only about trading and only for top levels, only founders and CXOs from like Web3 top companies. That's the idea is that any founder can go in and like see what's going on with the market. We discuss there, for example, Ethereum pricing, BNB pricing. Also, we discuss Binance Index. Binance Index hedge fund strategy is when you buy all 320 tokens from Binance with different percent of your capital to deploy and then manage it. It's something like S&P 500 or NASDAQ index, but for crypto. So something like this. And also different founders, they share some ideas. For example, one guy from GMX team, he shared some idea and token did something like 2x, I don't remember. Also, we trade very good. One of these Osma spike on Binance, it's more than 10x. And you know, when it's only founders and C-levels and also hedge fund traders and quants, it's very like very unique community. So no spam, no like BD thing, business development thing, only direct talking about trading, about ideas. And we expect that during next year, it could be one of the strongest trading alpha in crypto, because we keep moderating it in the way that, guys, only please discuss here trading, because for all our members, all who joined already or all who will join in the future, we want to keep this group chat useful. That's the secret. So guys, if you're a founder or C-level, you're welcome.
So how can anybody apply to be in this group?
Yeah,
there is some big waiting list for it.
Yeah, yes, there's, right now it's 600 members and 700 members in the waiting list. Yeah, we can maybe post a link to join in like in description of this video. But this link, if you use it, you will come to our wait list, and then we will decide to add you or not. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So hopefully we will get some alpha and insights. Thank you for sharing your expertise and the development of Gotbit with us. Wish you good luck.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Appreciate this call.